A storm just rolled through, and your fence took a beating. Don't panic. We've got you covered with the best and easiest way to repair the damage. With a few simple steps, you can restore your fence and protect your property from future storms. Step 1. Assess the structural integrity. Start by gently shaking each post to check for looseness. Look for cracks, splits, and any signs of water damage. Use a level to ensure the posts are straight and stable. If you find any misalignments, mark those areas for repair. This step is crucial to prevent further damage and ensure a sturdy foundation for your fence. Step 2. Replace or reinforce damaged parts. For wooden fences, remove cracked panels and replace them with new ones. For metal fences, tighten bolts and remove rust using a rust remover or wire brush. Don't forget to apply a rust-resistant coating to prevent future corrosion. If any hardware is missing or damaged, replace it immediately to maintain stability. Step 3. Secure the posts. Adding extra support to the base of the fence post is essential, especially if the storm has weakened the foundation. Dig around the base, pour fresh concrete, and allow it to set. Make sure the post remains perfectly level as the concrete dries to prevent future tilting or instability. This step provides the strength your fence needs to withstand harsh weather conditions. And just like that, your fence is back in top shape, ready to weather the next storm. Regular maintenance and these simple repair steps can save you time and money in the long run. If you need professional assistance, we're here to help. Visit canfence.com or call us at 781-767-3596 for expert fence services.